My name is George Profitiotis, and I'm a PhD candidate at the National Technical University of Athens. My PhD work is currently exploring the ex-ante economic valuation of potential national planetary protection policies for private space missions. In my published policy memorandum, I proposed a novel framework to be undertaken by the United Nations system in order to prevent the contamination of the Earth with potential microorganisms from Mars and the contamination of Mars with terrestrial microorganisms. This kind of biological contamination may occur in the future through private space missions due to current legal and policy gaps. As the environmental goods on Earth and on Mars are non excludable, we must make sure that the social costs and the social benefits of future private space missions will be balanced in a way that will promote equity, justice, and sustainable development both on Earth and in space.
Hey everyone, my name is Jasmine Burton and I am a 2017 Masters of Public Health graduate from the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. I'm a current contractor at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, as well as the founder and CEO of a sanitation social enterprise called Wish for Wash. I was thrilled to have my thesis from when I was studying at the London School of Hygiene be selected to be a part of this special issue about the impacts of emerging technology on inequality and sustainability. In this piece of work, I really delve into the global sanitation crisis by way of a toilet technology assessment in a particular informal settlement in Lusaka, Zambia. UN Water says that the sixth Sustainable Development Goal and is essential for progress across all the other Sustainable Development Goals and vice versa. Therefore, investing in proven, sustainable, innovative frontier technologies in the water sanitation and hygiene space has profoundly positive implications and impacts across all of the other SDGs as it relates to global social inclusion, gender parity, health equity, and the environmental movement. So I'm really excited to be here, and thank you so much for your time and support of my work, because everybody poops.
Hello everyone, my name is Stiti Chakraborty and I'm one of the contributing authors. I'm currently working as an occupational therapist involved in the rehabilitation of persons with disabilities in Christian Medical College, Vellore, India. My publication aims to address and highlight the existing inequities in accessibility and feasibility of implementing the use of assistive technologies for persons with disabilities in high income versus low and low middle income countries. While the use of technology, specifically assistive technology, can significantly aid in the overall improvement in quality of life of persons with disabilities by reducing the impact it has on their daily lives, however, while comparing how such technologies are being made available to the differently abled, there seems to be a huge gap with developed nations much ahead when compared to the developing world. Through my publication, I intend to shed some light on this issue as well as suggest implementable recommendations that must be adopted into practice by the developing world, which, in my opinion, could help in reducing this gap. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Morgan Livingston, and I am an undergraduate at UC Berkeley and a research assistant in privacy and emerging technology policy. AI is shaped by choices on the data, the design, and its integration into existing social systems. But underserved populations are often misrepresented in data and underrepresented in the AI workforce. AI can increase the scale and accuracy of critical services, but AI can also replicate and amplify inequalities. By including diverse voices in the data collection, the development, and the governance decisions, we can not only mitigate bias, but shape AI as a technology for equality. Representative data can bring visibility to racial and gender inequalities. And if we elevate more voices, AI can be designed to meet those emerging needs. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Soheb Nunhag and I'm a project officer of the Digital Advisory Unit at the International Monetary Fund. My focus is on disruptive technologies, including artificial intelligence and blockchain. The technology assessment co-authored with Farah Awan focuses on understanding the blockchain governance of building blocks, a cash-based transfer program created by the World Program, currently benefiting thousands of Syrian refugees in Jordan. Blockchain within building blocks enhance the supply chain of humanitarian aid, bypassing local banks and saving funds to be redistributed, while refugees are more empowered by giving them the means to purchase food. However, there must be a consensus model and a governance structure to adopt blockchain with humanitarian partners to facilitate digital inclusion, promote resilience, and lessen inequalities. Building blocks is an effective way to achieve the Zero Hunger Sustainable Development Goal by 2030 and can be an invitation to collaborate with other humanitarian agencies to coordinate aid in the region, thus significantly reduce duplication of efforts as a result. Thank you very much.